Hello, welcome back to our piano tutorial. Today we'll be learning My Way. This song is a very famous jazz ballad. It has been sung by Frank Sinatra, who's made it very popular in the past. It's a very beautiful jazz ballad. If you want to learn something easy, play it for your family, this is definitely a tune to play. There's two parts of this. There's the verse and then the chorus, and then there's the second part at the end, which is just like filler in the chorus. I'm going to play the verse for you guys right now, so you can get a better understanding of this song. Without further ado, let's get into it. Like I said, that's the verse. I made it a little bit more chromatic to make it flow better, but that's the verse, and that's basically half the song. So let's just get into it and figure out these chords. So this version of the song is in C major, so all white keys for the most part. Your first chord is C major 7, which is C and G in your left hand with B, C, E, and G in your right. Play it for 4 beats. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have an E minor 7 over B, which is just an E minor 7 inverted. So you have B in your left hand with B, D, E, and G in your right. It's also for 4 beats. So then you have this chord, which is an E minor 7 flat 5 over B flat, which is the exact same thing as this chord you played, except you're just moving down to B flat. And then you have this A7 chord, which is A and E in your left hand with G, A, C sharp, and E in your right. If you notice, you can pick that up. You're going C, B, B flat, A. So it's very chromatic. And the C sharp is going to lead to this D minor chord, which we're going to play next. Hopefully you can see down in this area. I know when I get to this part you might not be able to see it, but we'll work with it. But yeah, so you have a D minor chord, which is D's in your left hand with F, A, and D in your right. Then you have this D minor major 7 chord, which is a chord I played, I believe, in one of the last videos I made. But basically, it's the James Bond chord. So if you're playing up here, you have so minor, minor, major. So what was that? That was this one. So you have D's in the left hand, F, A, C sharp, and D for 4 beats. And then for 2 beats, you have a D minor 7, which you're just moving the C sharp down to the C. So 1, 2, 3. This chord is a G7 chord. You have G and D in your left hand with F, G, B, and D in your right. And for the first half of that verse, you end on C major 7. Or this is a C9, but C major 7. So let's break that down slowly for you guys to understand it more. Excuse me. So you begin with a C major 7. 1, 2, 3. Go down chromatically to this B, B flat, same chord, A7, then C sharp leads to D, D minor, and then again chromatically D minor major 7, then D7, G7, C major 9, or C9, C major 7. And that's the first half of that verse. The second half also starts with C major 7 chord, which is, I was actually down here, so you have C7 again for, no, excuse me, C major 7 again for 4 beats. And for 2 beats, you have a G minor 7 chord, which is G and D in your left hand, with F, G, B flat, and D in your right, for 2 beats. So you have 1, 2, 3. On beat 3, you have a C7 chord, which is C's in your left hand, with E, G, B flat, and C. Throw in a D if you want. And this is a leading tone. The B flat's the leading tone to this A, which is part of the F major chord, for 4 beats. F and C in your left hand with F, A, and C in your right. Throw in a G if you want to. For 4 beats, you have a F minor chord, which is A flat instead of A. And this is one of my favorite parts of a song, where I make it a little bit more chromatic and flexible. So you have, right, F minor, then you have C major 7. So how it goes, you have C major 7 for 2 beats, A minor 7 for 2 beats. So A, C, G, A, C, and E. Then D minor 7, which you learned. And G7, which you learned. And then F6 is that. So we'll work on those last 4 bars, and we'll actually do the entire verse very slowly. In the beginning, I went like this. So a lot of chromaticism going through that, and all I'm doing is kind of what I did in the beginning with the slow stuff. I have C major 7. I'm trying to get to this A minor 7. So 1. So chromatically from the C down to the A. This A minor 7 chord, which you learned. And then up to this D minor 7. So A, B, excuse me, A, B, C sharp, D, D, E, F sharp, G, G, F sharp, like that. That's just to make it more fun. You don't have to do all that stuff, but it's just what I do when I play this song. So that's the entire verse part, which is not bad. We're going to play the verse part very, very slowly from the beginning, and then go into the actual chorus. First chord, C major 7. E minor 7 over B. E minor 7, flat 5 over B flat, going chromatically down to this A7 chord. Leading tone to D. Then D minor major, goodness, C sharp, chromatically. C major 7. Then you play that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, G minor 7. C7, F, and then now F minor, and then you have C major 7, A7, A minor 7, D7, G7, F6. And that's the first part of the song. That's the verse. Now the verse also takes a second ending, which goes into the chorus, and all you're going to do is on the F6 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, C for 2 beats, and then you have this F major 7 over G. Very nice tension chord. So you have F major 7 has a lot of tension anyway, but you put this G underneath. Yeah. So that's G's in your left hand with F, A, C, and E, which leads into the chorus. Then you start off with C major 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. G minor 7, C7, F major 7. You're going to play this for 7 beats. So you have F and C in your left hand with F, A, C, and E in your right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All you're doing is going down, or all you're doing is putting this E's in your left hand. Same chord on top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor 7 for 4 beats. And G7 for 4 beats, which you learned earlier. And E minor 7, which is from the beginning, but you have E's in your left hand with G, B, D, and E. 4 beats. A minor 7. D minor 7 for 4. G7. F6. To C. And that C, so this section, same thing as the end of the verse. This now starts back up into the second part, or in like verse 2 would be this part. And that leading into the verse, you have this D minor 7 over G. So G is in your left hand with F, A, C, and D. And then at the end, and in Frank Sinatra's version, he does this part where he just makes it really soft when the orchestra comes in. That's the same thing as before. Well, kind of. So the ending of this song goes like this. So, you know, but that theme is repeated again. You have a C major chord for 4 beats, then D minor 7 for 4 beats, which you learned. It's a 2-5-1. So 2, 5 is the G7, but then you go to the 4 chord again, F6. And that is how you play My Way. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys like this, please like and subscribe for more content. I put stuff occasionally about jazz and other songs to play. If you have any suggestions about what songs I should play, leave it in the comment section below and I'll try my best to get it out there. If you guys enjoyed the video, I'll see you guys in the next one.